We are still looking after clients that have had our systems 15 plus years ago. If they call us and they're saying, hey, we have a problem, do we contract it? No, we just take care of it. We're not lawyers. We don't start charging the moment that phone starts to ring or the moment we pick it up. We have clients that will call us and say, hey, something weird. And we had a power failure last night, and it was a weird one, and something didn't come back up. We will get online as soon as we know what's going on, and we will try and help them to fix it there and then, or help them, getting the components that they need in order to get around the failure, and then we'll help them reconfigure it and get it back up and running again. It's so rare that these things happen that no, we don't contract for it. These are things we just take care of. If there are real expenses, like if we have to go to site because something, they had a lightning strike, or we had a client that had a flood, and obviously things got damaged, yes, of course, we're going to have to charge for that. But certainly for your average, hey, something misbehaved, no, we just take care of it. That's how you get your reputation. That is how, it doesn't matter that system is 15 years old. If you can spend half an hour on the phone with somebody and get it done, or half an hour with one of my guys behind the computer, just going like, oh, it's okay, I can see what's going on here and fix it. No, that's part of what we do.